I made a song myself called "I Like My Crocs." It's got sports mode on. Anyway, what can you beatbox me? I'm a bit autistic.
Did you say Crocs?
Yeah.
Nice.
It like sounds like boom, 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 and then it's like the drums kick in, and I go, "I like my Crocs."
What a banger!
Song.
What a banger! I can freestyle beatbox for you.
Yeah. Can I film? It's
sure.
Right,
sure.
Brilliant. That was brilliant.
Alright, so I've been practicing inward bass for, I guess, about 2 months now, and alright, this is what I got. I know it needs a lot of work, but I'm very, very content with that progress. What's going on there?
This is a black screen. Why is everyone asking me that?
Your chair's disappearing. It's into the abyss.
Black screen. What are they doing here?
What am I doing here?
Yeah.
Making noises with my mouth.
Oh, you wanna do noises? Oh, nice. Oh, that's a good noise.
I can do a weed whacker. You want to hear it?
Yeah, sure. Even the dog is like, what the f are you doing? Come on, Mrs. Blue.
Alright. Listen.
That was fire.
Oh! Alright, your turn, your turn. Woo! Yes.
Did he actually fall asleep like that? Oh! Hello?
Your microphone looks like a go.
Why do I keep connecting? What? Hello, sorry.
Hello. It's in the middle of something?
No, I just... All these people, they're... Ugh, my gosh. Yeah.
What are you doing on here?
I'm making sounds with my mouth.
You're making sounds with your mouth?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Oh, what the Hit me with something. Let me hear something. crazy. How do you make those like percussion clicky sounds?
Those?
Yeah, the like rolls. What are you doing?
My tongue's let me try to explain this. My tongue's like hitting the top of my mouth.
Like, are you inhaling really hard when you do that?
No, not really. I'm just like sucking in without actually sucking into my lungs, if that makes sense.
Were you?
All right, enough stalling. Let's hear that boots and cats.
The boots and cats. Got a little sloppy in there. Sounds like you're just shooting a bunch of little lasers. I like that. That's so
That's
cool.
what I make that joke. Better watch out.
Yeah.
I'm a stormtrooper.
It's like a freaking it's like a shooter, like one of the shooter games and epic mini games from Roblox. It sounds exactly like that. That's so funny. Oh my.
Yeah, Stitch is awesome.
Dude, that's amazing. That's like my favorite. Dude, I'm gonna like geek out on you for a second. You know how like Stitch's experiment 626?
Yeah.
My birthday is 626.
Oh, that's not a good one.
Yes, it is.
No, wrong thing, pal. Wrong thing, pal.